So this is the pound yen analysis for Thursday, 7th of December. So let's have a look what happened with prices previously and where they might possibly go. So start of the week, we did have a bit more gap in the market. We've had a pullback. We've had a move towards that 52.85, which are the highs of 2017. We've had a rejection from that 52.85, the highs of 2017 so far. We weren't able to, suppose we did make slightly higher high, but we weren't able to close above that 52.85, which is important. And what we have seen is a schism in the market, and was like news related. And what we have seen since then has been a consistent sell-off in the pound yen. We've had a pullback here and there, and we've respected key levels. So as we can see here, we've had first initially off this schism candle, we retraced all the way down to 51.25. Again, we saw retracement off there. Again, we target 56. Again, we saw some retracement off there as well. Before we've seen a breakdown of prices heading towards the level previously mentioned. A strong level marked out in red was at 49.78. And let's just see how close we came towards that 49.78 for our rejections. Bear with me a second here. Let's just get this scale. Let's see. So our lows were 149.76, so 2 pips below the 149.78, which is pretty safe for me. It's pretty much a reaction towards that 49.78, and as we can see from the low of that pin bar, well, we have seen some buy side momentum come into the market. So we're currently in around the 200 period moving average here, so we'll see our price react towards our 50.56. If we do see a breakdown from 50.56, the levels that we would be targeting would be a projection from here, which targets at 149.78, a break from which we're looking for the 400 period moving average. If we do break below the 400 period moving average, 49.10, mine level, might not see any reaction at all. Next major level we're looking at is 148.46, and below which we're looking for that 147.35. Currently we're at 150.47. We'll possibly see the far end of range being around that 148.46. Now, if we do see a counter move, if we do see a break, and we do see some momentum coming to the market, we do close above 150.56. We're looking for prices to see how prices react to this 51.25. Again, the reason we've mentioned 50.56 is it's a weekly level pivot marked out on the charts for several weeks now. As we can see, we've got a rejection from there. We've got another rejection from there. So as he has acted as support on these two occasions for moves to the upside, on this occasion we might see a negative reaction and see a move to the downside. So a breakdown from 150.56, we've mentioned all the previous levels to the downside. Now let's have a look for the upside. So if we do break above 150.56, again we're looking to see our price react towards at 151.25, a break from which we'll be looking towards possibly before we head towards the highs of 2017 so far. We're possibly looking at in around that 52.40. We might see some weakness there, but after which we're looking for that 52.85. Overall though, we have seen to have had a reaction, so possible upside momentum on the pound yen. Now if we head over to the daily chart to get a broader perspective on things, over on this daily chart we can see here we've had a reaction towards that 52.85, and again we've had a negative reaction towards that 52.85, and we have seen some sell side momentum come into the market from that 52.85. We're in the early stage of the sell-off here. We are on the early stage of the sell-off here. We have seen a positive reaction, but possibly going to see some more sell side momentum until we possibly get back into this this range here in between 147.35 and 148.46. So in around where we did find support previously, we could potentially see support again. But overall, on this daily time frame, we do appear to have put it in a bit of a double top in around this 52.85 before we have seen subsequent breakdown in prices. And we've yes, I think I've repeated myself there. Sorry about that. And with that said, that's wrap up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.